and get down close if you can. Okay, I'm going to smooth this out where I'm going to put the mesh. This was a crack that went all the way from here, across here, and over to here. So I'm reinforcing the plastic weld with a screen to embed in it. And I will be using a smoothing spoon. This is actually a spoon that came with a 1958 Norton motorcycle I had for roadside repair of tires. So you take your welder, you press into it, you press the mesh into the plastic, and it takes a little bit because it has to heat up. Smooth it with that. I'll tack another corner over here so that it stays in place. I've seen the videos on, this is a KC Pro, and this works great. I've seen the videos on the Harbor Freight plastic welders, and this tip on those start to bend up and they don't last. I'm putting a fair amount of pressure down on this to embed this into the plastic, and I don't think the Harbor Freight one would be able to take the kind of pressure that I'm putting down on it. This one's taking the pressure. You just press down in it till the mesh heats up enough to embed itself into the plastic, and when it oozes up around it, just smooth it out. And it makes an incredibly strong bond, way stronger than the original dashboard. Once you get it embedded in, just smooth it around. And when you're wanting to hold it, this plastic spoon also helps to, or this steel spoon helps to cool it. Now this area here was a large area of a crack that went from here all the way up into the corner. So I've already welded that crack together, but I'm coming back and I'm embedding this mesh into it. And it will be embedded all the way around. And I'll repair all of the cracks everywhere in the whole dashboard.